Hello everyone, this is 𝐤𝐧𝐨𝐼 from our studio and I have with me Mr. Rifat and I'm going to give him a test right now and so speaking part 1. Okay Rifat, are you ready for the test?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today I'm going to ask you some questions on the topic called crowded place, and your first question is the city where you live crowded?
Actually, I live in Dhaka. It is capital city of Bangladesh. For this reason, hundreds of thousands of people came here for looking job, which make it populated as well as crowded. So I call it is a crowded place.
Okay, so is there a crowded place near where you live?
Already I mentioned that I live in Dhaka and there are a market which name is Jodhpur Bazaar. It is one of the most biggest market in my area. Lots of people came here every day for shopping, and it is most crowded place where I live.
Okay, so do you like crowded places?
Actually, no, I do not like crowded places. What I am saying is that when I stay in a crowded place, I cannot focus on my study and it makes me irritated. So I try to avoid it.
Do most people like crowded places?
Actually, it really depends on the person. Some people loves crowded place. They are so going on, and it's like buzz for them. On the other hand, some people prefer peaceful and less crowded place.
Okay, so when was the last time you were in a crowded place?
A few days ago, I went Cox's Bazar, and it is the one of the most famous tourism spot in my country. Hundreds of thousands people came here every year, no country in the world, and it was last time when I was in a crowded place.
Okay, thanks for joining the test. Thank you.